Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites. Enable macros, allow external connections in Trust Center, and save both workbooks in known paths. Next, map where data lives, sheet names, exact ranges, and whether headers exist. Choose a method now: formulas for simple links, Power Query for refreshable transforms, VBA for scheduled automation. Once decided, create a small test dataset. This lets you validate connections quickly and prevents breaking live data when you proceed. You'll implement the chosen connection method step by step. If using formulas, enter direct workbook links and lock ranges with $ to prevent accidental shifts, then save both files. For Power Query, import the source workbook, apply transforms, and load to connection. Set refresh on open or schedule via task scheduler. If VBA, write a short macro that opens the source, copies the range, pastes values into destination, and closes source, then assign to workbook open or a scheduled task for unattended runs. You'll finish by testing thoroughly. Change source values and run your refresh or macro, then verify destination updates exactly as intended. Make sure to add basic error handling in VBA or check Power Query connection errors. Handle closed source files and renamed sheets gracefully. Once done, enable logging and create incremental backups before enabling scheduled automation. If updates fail, check file paths and Trust Center settings first. These are the most common causes, and then inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.